Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So, we will be picking cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. Leos, if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Leos. And today we are picking cards for your present situation, for your past, your future, what challenges you are facing, and what is the future outcome in your circumstances, Leos. So I request you to watch this reading till the end, Leos, so that way you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with this card here. Seven of Fire. So, Leos, in your situation, you are really cheerful, confident, feeling inspired, happy, and you are trying your best today because you are someone, if you make a choice for yourself, you stand by those choices. And if you are not happy with what you're doing, you try your best going out of the way. So today you are absolutely confident about yourself and you believe that you can achieve something and you're moving towards your dreams and goals, and you are someone who lives life on your own terms. So today, Leos, you feel happy and you are someone who never makes a compromise, not with people, with yourself. So you do not give up, you never give up. So you try your best till you reach your maximum limit. So that is the reason things are going to go in a beautiful way for you, Leos. So in your situation, Three of Water. Maybe you are feeling really confident because you have friends, family with you, a team, good team with you, helping you, and you know that you are an unique person, just like you. Even the people with you, they are unique in their own ways, and there are good things and bad qualities in each and every one of us. So, if you want to be happy, if you want to be truly happy, having a good time together, you must try to understand each other's good qualities and flaws. You must have the acceptance for the flaws also that are there in that other person. So, it may be a challenging time, though you may understand that each and every one of us are different. It is really difficult for you to understand this person because they are doing things in a different way, they are not like you, and though you know that they are different, you are on the way to understanding, to establishing a relationship based on trust and 100% understanding. So you are working on yourself, you are trying to respect their suggestions and ideas and their different ways of thinking. So Leos, we will see more cards here. Seven of Earth and Nine of Earth, Air. So in this connection, maybe you have made a choice. It would have been something you did in the past. And maybe you are afraid today because you have made the wrong choice. You have made something, you have decided on something, and today you are trying relentlessly to change something, but you feel that it's not changing, maybe your circumstances. and you are feeling really lost or sad for having made this choice, and you are not happy with what you are seeing in front of you right now. Because circumstances are difficult, you wish to change the situation, but things are going in a very bad way. And you are trying your best to change the situation today. Maybe the misunderstanding you see today or some difficulties you see today is because of the wrong decisions you made, or it may be some mistakes on your part, the reason for troubles here today. So, we will see more cards for your present, the future of this love. So, you are a very committed person, committed to your dreams and goals. And maybe you are pushing too hard, trying too hard to please this person. That may be the reason for some troubles, misunderstanding. Maybe this person does not like your stubbornness. They want you to be more flexible, and they are someone who responds differently. So you are trying too much to achieve something, maybe, but this person has a different view. And if they and they feel that if something is not working, they must give this relationship time, a little break. So that may be the reason this person may be moving away from you, Leos, because they are not like you. They are different and they cannot understand your ways of life. So we will see more cards for your situation. It's 10 of fire and world. So looks like whatever is happening today, it may be because of your destiny or because of what needs to come for you, because it is changing you and it is making you change your perspective. So you need to see things in a different way. That is what we were speaking about. Both of you are different. So if you want to understand this person, you must change your perception because they are not willing to change. So if you want this love, Leos, if you want this person, you must move towards a new beginning, a new way of life, a new way of understanding. And the way to do that, the first step to do that is to change your perception or see things from their point of view. Then you will see clarity. So we will see what are the cards for your final outcome today. Moon and Fool. So you have confidence. You are feeling really cheerful today. And you need to believe in yourself because you may have a lot of dreams, hopes, beginning in new beginnings for yourself, and you are willing to change. And sometimes instead of thinking negatively, instead of thinking about the past, you must focus on your future and have hope and faith in your future and wish for good things. So if you are having positive intentions, those positive thoughts are going to attract happiness and abundance in your life, Leos. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.